Random shutdowns on Lenovo laptops, including ThinkPad, IdeaPad, and Yoga models, are a common issue as of December 2025. These abrupt power-offs happen without warning and can stem from hardware, software, or environmental factors. Lenovo has addressed some problems through firmware updates and recalls, but issues continue, particularly in older models or due to overheating in hybrid work environments. Understanding the root cause is essential for effective resolution. Hardware failures are often the primary cause of random shutdowns in Lenovo computers. Overheating is common due to clogged vents, failing fans, or dried thermal paste. Clogged vents prevent proper airflow, trapping heat inside the laptop. Failing fans covered in dust cannot cool the system effectively. Dried thermal paste reduces heat transfer from the CPU to the heatsink. Power-related issues include degraded batteries, faulty adapters, and motherboard problems. If your Lenovo shuts down suddenly with no error message, overheating or power delivery is a likely suspect. Degraded batteries lose capacity and cannot maintain stable power. Faulty adapters may not deliver consistent power to the laptop. Motherboard capacitors or circuits can fail, disrupting power management. Keep your laptop cool to prevent these hardware failures and random shutdowns. Environmental conditions significantly impact laptop performance. Dust buildup is a major issue that clogs vents and fans, restricting airflow and leading to overheating. Poor ventilation exacerbates dust problems, especially when laptops are used in cramped spaces or on soft surfaces that block air intake. High ambient temperatures above 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 degrees Celsius accelerate hardware degradation and increase shutdown risks. Regular cleaning with anti-static brushes and proper thermal paste application helps maintain optimal temperatures. To prevent issues, ensure adequate ventilation by using laptops on flat, hard surfaces and clean components every few months. Start by using monitoring tools like HW Monitor or Lenovo Vantage to check your CPU and GPU temperatures. Monitor temperatures in real time. Keep them below 90 degrees Celsius. If temperatures are high, clean the vents to remove dust buildup. You may also need to reapply thermal paste on the CPU. To troubleshoot random shutdowns, run the Lenovo System Update tool to update BIOS, chipset drivers, and other firmware. This ensures compatibility with your operating system and can provide critical power management fixes. Begin with a physical inspection of the laptop. Check for visible dust buildup, damaged components, or loose connections that could cause shutdowns. Clean the vents and cooling fans to remove dust that can block airflow and cause overheating. Use compressed air to gently blow out debris. Reseat the RAM modules and hard drive. Gently remove and reinsert them to ensure proper contact and eliminate connection issues. Test the laptop with an external power adapter to rule out issues with the built-in battery or charging system. For a power reset, first disconnect the battery if your laptop model allows it. Hold the power button for 30 seconds to discharge any residual power. Reconnect the battery and power adapter, then let the system charge fully before attempting to start it up. Lenovo's newer models feature AI-driven diagnostics in Lenovo Vantage that predict potential shutdowns by monitoring usage patterns and alerting users in advance. Preventive maintenance is crucial. Regular cleaning of vents and fans removes dust that causes overheating while keeping components cool. Regular firmware and driver updates address software glitches that can cause random shutdowns. Following a maintenance checklist ensures comprehensive care. If random shutdowns continue after preventive steps, consult professional repair services. DIY attempts can cause more harm and void warranties.